Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my first unboxing video. So I have this mic that I picked up on the Take A Lot for 200 bucks. I have a video about my trip down on the links below, check it out. Okay, so let's get cracking. I really don't know about the version of this mic, but all I know is called professional Lavalier mic. Quick on kick specs, there's not much to say about this mic. I went back to Take A Lot website, but I couldn't find it anymore. Weird. All I know is that it's 3.5mm jack, and on this box supports almost all the smartphones, and I'm sure all the laptops as well. We'll get to that test. So as you can see here on the box, it's named professional Lavalier mic, and on the support I have the supports with iPhones, iPad, touch, Android, Windows, large smartphones, blah blah blah, all that guy. And on the installation guide, okay, including all the things that you can deal with. And here just say 3.5mm mic for all. So okay, let's get okay. I don't have a tripod, and just ordered a tripod from China, so I'm sure my video are going to be better than this, but for now all I have is one hand and one hand to hold a camera. So yeah. Okay, so I have a little bag here. Looks like leather, but it's not leather. The quality is not that good. Okay, and what we have in box here, so I have okay, this extender. That's also 3.5mm jack as well, extender cable, and I have the mic itself with the headphone jack there, and 3.5mm jack here. The mic has extra headphone jack you can use to connect to headphones or listen to what you are recording. You can also use to connect to extra device if that's the case. It's about 2 meters long, I think. It's t-shirt clipping mic, so you can clip and use as you go on your shirt or t-shirt, whatever. It's not a wireless mic, so you have to connect to the camera or a phone or whatever you have when you're recording, if you want to use it. There's not much to say about this mic. I went back to Take A Lot, as I said earlier, to check on the specs, but I couldn't find anything. So for what I've known and what I've seen from this mic, it supports my MacBook. I've tested on the MacBook. It supports my smartphone, my iPhone, and I'm sure it supports almost everything, including other laptops. So in the box I found there are two or 3.5mm male to female headphone jack, and also find female to male cable extender. There's also a cheap material leather bag and the mic itself. My audio improvement, looking at my audio improvement, there is not much in my audio improvement, though I have just noticed that there's a less noise. So on my other video I could hear like there was wind and much of the surrounding noise, but at the moment the noise is not that much. And looking at who's this mic for, at the moment this mic is for maybe an amateur video and music recording, but it's not a good deal unless otherwise. Should you buy it? That's the most important question. Should you buy this mic? On my opinion, don't buy it. It's better you find something for a good audio, or just add up a small cash and buy something better. But as far as the budget is concerned, you may just buy it, but not using for a long time though. The material is not that satisfying. For the price, it's just fine though. 200 bucks, no big deal. This is not a professional user, as the name says. It's not a professional user mic. It's just like for an amateur user mic. That's what I can say. I'm giving you guys what I'm thinking. This is my opinion. This is what my thoughts according to what I've experienced on this mic. I've used it for an hour, and I'm using the same mic to record this video. So I'm recording over the video, and you can see, as you can hear, the problem is not that much improvement from the clip where I introduced myself and unboxed I was using an iPhone there, but now I'm using this mic. So as far as I'm concerned, this is not a professional user mic. But for someone who wants to shoot video for fun or just get free noise audio, cool, thumbs up for that. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching the video. If you like what you see, subscribe, like and share. You can also leave a comment below on what you think about this mic. Thanks. See you on the next one.